Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to be moving this scavenger pump. Stay tuned. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button and the post notification bell to stay up to date with this crazy build. With that being said, let's get into it. Alrighty guys, it feels a bit weird. I haven't picked up the camera for over a week now. So hope you all had a good Christmas, and if you're watching this after New Year's, hope you had a safe New Year's as well. Alright, so we need to get this front end off. So we need to get the grill out, these fascias under the headlights, got to get the bumper off, and we need to get this catch can out. So all the lines off, filter off, got a bolt here and a bolt down there to undo, and that should come straight out. And then we will take the scavenger pump out, which is under it. We're going to be relocating it down here. Alrighty boys, I think I've had the scavenger pump over here at one point. There's some holes down there. I think it was there. There's two holes. I can't remember. Maybe that was the oil relocation. Alright, so we're getting a bit of dirt under here. So that's where the hose comes through. Up and out. So we need to make a bracket of some sort. Great. I'm going to keep that there. It's on a good angle. Probably end up putting a vent in both sides of the front bumper just to help the air come out, the hot air from here and on the other side of the turbos. So, whoosh. Ready boys, time to get all these lines off. So this one, this one, this one, and this one. Easy. Alright. Where did I put it? Here. This one I've just been playing with, so it should be quite easy. Yep. Come back when I've undone these three. Ready boys, got them all off. So these two were the head breathers. This is the block. It's all in one, and that was vented. So probably most likely I am going to reuse these fittings. But I need to work out how I'm going to do that, because the fittings are all going to be on the top for the block and the head breathers, and this one's okay. This will fit over here, but the right hand side one won't. Plus, it's a straight fitting. So let's see what I can do. Yeah, have to work something out there. But let's get this out. Alright guys, got it out, and think I screwed up big time. We have rust. Yeah. That was a bit silly of me using mild steel. I don't know if you can see it, but in that one, there's some rust. I'm gonna probably end up cutting this open, see what's going on in there, because I went and bought mild steel again, another sheet, which probably shouldn't have. Should use stainless steel. I'm gonna say it's twice as much, but this is 1.6 mil thickness. The stainless is only 0.9, so it'll be pretty flimsy. And I really don't have much time to do this because I need the foils to go into Melbourne in a couple of weeks. So I can hear something. It might be rust. But we'll leave that for another episode. I'll chop that open because I'll probably reuse the fittings anyways. Fittings are okay. Might just need to coat the inside before I, might be just some welding swarf or something in there. But that's why you have the vacuum on top. But I can't have a swell pot that has rust in it. So yeah, that means that'll be going into the sump. There's a bit of oil in there. I thought, hey, it's getting filled up with oil. It should be okay. But yeah, it's also getting filled up with air, isn't it? And condensation. Alright, let's undo this scavenger pump and see what we can do down there. Set this off to the side and come back to this. Well, this doesn't look good either. I'm getting rust and corrosion on the distribution block for the power. Currently the kill switch is flicked off, the master switch, so there's no power here. But damn, this is it's not going good. Yeah, I've got 2 weeks to get this all sorted, so I should be able to do it. Hey look, there's a blade down there. Oh, there's 2 blades down here. Jeez. Alrighty boys, so I'm going to have to extend the wiring. I'll probably end up relocating this relay. So I can just there's a bolt. I can just disconnect the earth there, but the power goes into the relay, so I'll pull that out and get these hoses off. Hopefully it's run back down and past this point. Not sure if it can run through here or not, but yeah. Yeah, here we go. Can do 14 litres a minute. Open flow. Self-priming, runs dry without damage. Yeah. It's just an eBay one, guys. Well, yeah, there's still oil in line. I've got a bit of cleanup to do. Great. Alright boys, so I've got all of this still on here. So might have to, I'll pull all this off. So you've got flow. Can't put it in front, that just defeats the purpose of having it there. Put it behind. Just get my big head in the way, aren't I? So it flows that way. Massive bracket for it. Maybe just some stock bar. I've got to be quick with this. Alright, let's get this off. Too chunky. Alright boys, got all the mounts off it, so back to normal. Yeah, a bit skinnier. We need we need a miracle. So we need flow. I'm not sure if I can rotate it. I don't know. I don't know if I can. I might be able to rotate it in the housing. If I could, that'd be great. We'll see. We will see. Might come out a little bit later. Alrighty boys, it's the next morning. I didn't actually mount it, but I'm going to go change over my gas bottle, my argon bottle, so we can start welding. Be back after work. Well, it's New Year's Day now, so let's actually do this scavenger pump. So many spiders in here. I haven't been in here for a while. Alright, New Year. Let's get to it. We all had a safe New Year as well. I'll get this all edited and out for you guys, so you got something to watch on New Year's Day if you're in America. Alrighty guys, so there's definitely not much real estate down here, but I found a spot. Wait and see. Alrighty guys, got this scavenger pump mounted down there. Got the intake on it, haven't got the output of it going yet. That's this little fella here. I have the catch can down there where the scavenger pump used to be, and I've got the custom one I did back up here, just for now. See if I can run it like that. And yeah, so this will just all be breathers. I don't have the vacuum there going back into the intake, so yeah, it's getting there. I'm frying my brain here, so I think I need a bit of a break. Come back later. Alrighty guys, so there is my scavenger pump. It's all wired up, just doesn't have the outlet hose on there, but we can do that quite easily. So next episode we're going to be dealing with all the catch cans up here. So if you enjoyed this episode, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you next episode. Bye.